Hello viewers, so let's continue from where we stopped under the topic of logical reasoning. As stated, we have five types of operations that are carried out on logical reasoning. So the first one is negation, which is what we'll be discussing today. So, and also after discussing what we mean by negation, we have a question to solve on the board. Um, there are some points we need to know about negation in logical reasoning. Okay. Negation is a logic in a statement which is usually denoted in lower cases. That is what we mean lower cases. That is the opposite of uppercase. That's lower cases means in small letters. Okay. Also another point we need to know about negation under negation is that in negation you either add not, or you add if it is if it's a false statement. Also, another thing we need to know under negation is that negation is either true or false or vice versa. Okay, two things we add is either we add the word not, that is not, in the appropriate sentence. Okay, that's in the statement. At the appropriate position, we add the word not, not. Another statement is we include it is a false, that is before a statement. So these are two things we need to know under negation. It's either you add not at the appropriate position in the statement, or you add it is a false at the beginning of a sentence or statement. Okay, so under a negation has to do with either true or false or vice versa, as mentioned earlier. So we have a question on the board which says that we should write R in negation. This is just a straightforward question. So R in negation is going to be minus R. Minus R means, this means it is not R. Or another way of writing R in negation can be R bar or bar R. Anyhow you call it. This is another form of writing R in negation. Then another way of writing R in negation is also R prime. Okay, so this is called R prime. Okay, so this is how we write R in negation under logical reasoning. And for this also I can draw a table which is called the truth table. For me to draw the truth table under this question, all I need to do is to write my R and my R bar. Okay, so if my R is through here, then that means the R bar or minus R is false. Okay, and if the R is false, then that means the R bar is true. So that's why we say in negation, is negation deals with true or false or what or vice versa. If it is true, if the R is true, then the negation is will be the false of it. Okay, and if you're giving the negation as false, if you're giving the question as false, the negation of the false is going to be true. So this is what we call the truth table under logical reasoning. So this is all we have under negation. In the next class, we shall solve another example for more clarification under negation. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. God bless us all.